This New Year's Eve, Ay 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 is going to escort you to Africa's marvel, the Kingdom of Wakanda. Wakanda is home of two rivaling tribes, Buleria and the full band of Caché De Luxe. Wakanda will be filled with paralyzing energy as the two tribes battle it out on the main stage with popular classics like Caché De Luxe, Ate Cosa Galbo, and Buleria's latest jam, Oh Jaja. The original Deluxian tribe featuring Kushans, Randy Leroy, Clifton and Dwight Leoneta, and Brian D will be the special attraction of the night. And on the other side, the pioneering Buleria tribe featuring Rocka, Ray, Ron, and Booty will bring you the Fakal vibes with favorites like Gozadera and One Love. Superseding over the Wakandan army for the night are Wakanda's finest DJs, DJ Vibes, Fat Tunes, and Double R. Get your tickets now at Sitco Boulevard and Sitco Esteville, or for your VIP reservations, call 740-8808.
Open the new year in style and show us your best self in the Wakanda Glam dress code.
Welcome to Wakanda is brought to you by Elite Productions, Hennessy, and Moët.